I'm going to install the light bar for this 2023 Toyota Hilux. This driving light bar key I got here from Light Force as customer supply. So and yeah, it's all here. And I think that this one and probably light bar switch or driving light switch for the suitable for this Toyota. So right, light bar be mounted. Okay. For the high beam signal pickup, we tap in this fuse, push it to this high beam right hand. Okay, this one. Show you this one. Okay, and there's a top of fuse here, so just make sure you put a low MPG fuse on this one. Okay, for the pickup signal. So this is the red one joined to the high beam pickup. Now this dark green wire to the ground. It'll be good. Just show you what I have it down here. Green and the black wire to the ground, to the negative of the battery. High beam signal pickup. And this for the power to the power feed to the fuse to the light bar. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to pull through the wire for the light bar switch. Okay. I always use some sort of silicone spray, just help you to run the wire. That's all. Right. The cable is pulled through, so just need to go this driver side, and for the light bar switch will be mounted there. So yeah. I just show you. So for this switch, brown one is a power in, blue one is power out. The black one is ground or negative. So I'm going to join here. Okay. Right, just show you guys what I joined. Right here, black to black, brown. Blue to the brown from the switch. The yellow from switch to the blue wire here, and then for the red wire it switch just tuck into this yellow wire which do the illumination. So alright, just need to cover a little bit of window here, so then let the cable not kind of being pinched by the cover. Okay. Alright, I will put everything back now. So the relay I just try to secure it here, it's not going anywhere. Oh. Alright, there's the light bar switch here. Focus. Alright, light bar switch there. Alright, illumination is on. High beam is on. Switch is on. Okay, it's working now.